Hello everybody, in this video we'll talk about weekday function in DAX. Weekday returns a day of the week number of a date. So the number can be in 1 to 7 range for Sunday to Saturday or Monday to Sunday, depending on the choice of the return type parameters that we set. It is primarily used to sort days of a week in desired order in the report visuals. So the syntax looks like weekday, you pass in the date, and you pass in the return type. The return type could be 1 or default, which goes from 1 for Sunday through 7 for Saturday, or 2, where we assign 1 for Monday through 7 for Sunday. And the third one is 0 for Monday and 6 for Sunday. And there are other return type parameters which are not very common, although I see in some countries the last one is used. So they start the week on Saturday and that goes through Friday. So you use 16 return type for those countries. So let's look that in action. So I have a date table called a date dynamic. Let me show you the data. So let me use this. All right, so the date is a continuous date starting from 1/1/2020. Let's add some columns to this. So let's add in first, let's add in day of the week. So we could see that in action. So let's do format. Yeah, under dynamic date. And let's do parentheses. So that will give us the day of the week. And let's add the week number. Not the week number, but weekday number. Weekday number. Weekday is the function, so we pass in the date, which is the calendar dynamic date in our case. So we pass in 1, which is the default. That is Sunday through Saturday. So if I look this here, this row starts on a Sunday from 1 and ends on a Saturday, number 7. So if I change this parameter to 2, then it starts on a Monday. You see now it starts on a Monday and ends on Sunday, number 7. So if you do number 3, it goes from 1 to 6 because Monday is a 0. All right, you can see that. The other type that I was talking about is 16. It starts on a Saturday and ends on Friday, number 7. All right. So yeah, pretty straightforward function. That's all I have for this video. Hope you found it useful. See you in the next video. Thank you.